How to log into DayForce account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can log into your DayForce account. Whether you're accessing your work schedule, pay stubs, or benefits, this video will help you get logged in quickly, so let's just dive right into the video. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and type in DayForce SCM, and you will be taken to this page where you can find this link called DayForceSCM.com. You're just gonna tap on it and you'll be easily getting to the login page. So here, you'll need to enter your username and password in the provider field, and your employer should have provided you with the information when you first registered for the DayForce. After entering your login credentials, click on the login button to access your DayForce account, and if your organization has enabled any two-factor authentication for added security, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your email or your phone. Simply check your email or your phone for the code and enter it in the provided field. And once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your DayForce dashboard where you can access all the important features like pay stubs, time of requests, schedules, and more. If you're having any trouble in logging in, you can click on the forgot password and reset everything. And that is it. Now you know how you can log into DayForce account. So if this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this.